audio system A and B produce sound with intensity level 90 decibel and 95 decibel respectively. If the corresponding sound intensities are IA and IB respectively, the ratio of IB divided by IA is equal to. We have to find the ratio between intensities. They have given sound intensity level. Then I will write the equation for the difference of sound intensity level. B2 minus B1 equals 10 log 10 of I2 divided by I1. Now I will use B2 value, sound intensity level corresponding to the audio system IB. 95 minus B1 value 90. 10 log 10 of, now we can use B2 is corresponding to IB, B1 is corresponding to IA. Then we can use IB divided by IA. Now we have to find the ratio IB divided by IA. 95 minus 95, we can bring this 10 to the left hand side. 5 divided by 10 equals 10 log 10 of IB divided by IA. 5 divided by 5, 1, 2. Then I will convert this logarithmic equation to index form. Then we can write base is 10, 10 to the power half equals IB divided by IA. We know that half power means square root. Then square root of 10 equals IB divided by IA. Answer is fourth one. Many rock musicians wear special earplugs to protect their hearing during performance. If an earplug decreases the sound intensity level by 20 decibels, it reduces the intensity of sound wave by the fraction. We can get difference of sound intensity level 10 log 10 of I2 divided by I1. Now the difference is 20 decibel. 10 log 10 of, we have to find the ratio I2 divided by I1. Then we can get 10 to the power 2 equals I2 divided by I1. Then answer should be 3. The ratio of sound intensities and corresponding difference in sound intensity level of two sound sources are numerically equal. The ratio of sound intensities and corresponding difference in sound intensity level equal. It means B2 minus B1 value is equal to the I2 over I1 ratio. Then we can use if B2 minus B1 value is X, this value also X. Now we can get X divided by 10 equals log 10 of X. Then we can write it in index form. 10 to the power X divided by 10 equals X divided by 10 equals X. Now we have to use corresponding given values for X. to get this equation. First answer they have given 10. If we are using x value as 10, 10 to the power 10 divided by 10 equals 10. It is correct. We can cancel out 10 and 10. 10 to the power 1 means 10. Then we can obtain the answer by using the first one. Then answer is 1 for the question. Sound that has an intensity level 100 decibel is how many times more intense than sound intensity level 20 decibel? We have to get the ratio between sound intensity corresponding to the sound intensity level 100 decibel and 20 decibel. Then we can write the sound intensity level, difference of sound intensity level, V2 minus V1 equals 10 log 10 of I2 divided by I1. Difference of sound intensity level 100 minus 20, 10 log 10 of, we have to get the ratio I2 divided by I1. 10 minus 20, 80 equals 10 log 10 of I2 divided by I1. We can cancel out 1 0. Then we can write this equation in index form. 10 to the power 8 equals I2 divided by I1. Then ratio should be 10 to the power 8. Answer is 5. So the intensity of the noise generated by a machine is 10 to the power minus 2 watt per square meter. By employing a noise barrier, the intensity of noise reduced to 10 to the power minus 6. What is the reduction in the noise intensity level? We have to find the reduction of sound intensity level. It means we have to find the V2 minus V1 difference. Then we can use same equation, 10 log 10 of I2 divided by I1. We have to find the difference of sound intensity level. 10 log 10 of I2 value 10 to the power minus 6 divided by I1 value 10 to the power minus 2. Then we can simplify it. V2 minus V1 equals 10 log 10 of 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 10 to the power minus 2 is 10 to the power minus 4. We know that value of this term is minus 4. 10 multiplied by minus 4. It means minus 40. Minus means there is a reduction. Therefore, we have to get only the magnitude. We can get it is 40 decibels. Then answer is 4. By what factor does the sound intensity increase if the sound intensity level increase by 1 decibel? Again, we have to use same equation. V2 minus V1 equals 10 log 10 of I2 divided by I1. Sound intensity level, difference of sound intensity level is 1 decibel. 10 log 10 of I2 divided by I1. You can get 10 to the left hand side, 1 divided by 10 equals log 10 of I2 divided by I1. 1 divided by 10 means 0.1. We can write 10 to the power 0.1 equals I2 divided by I1. Then ratio between corresponding sound intensities should be 10 to the power 10 to the power 0.1. Then answer is 2. A moving jet plane can create a maximum sound intensity level of 150 decibels. Take the sound intensity threshold of hearing 10 to the power minus 12 watt per square meter. The maximum intensity of the sound that can be created by the jet plane in watt per square meter. We can write the equation for the sound intensity. B equals 10 log 10 of I divided by I naught. I naught means threshold of hearing. Then we have to find the B value. 10 log 10 of corresponding intensity 100. No, corresponding intensity level is 150. B value 150. We have to find the intensity I. Threshold intensity of threshold hearing 10 to the power minus 12. Then we have to simplify it. We can cancel out 1 0. We can write in log form. 10 to the power 15 equals I divided by 10 to the power minus 12. Then we can bring 10 to the power minus 12 to the left hand side. 10 to the power 15 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 12. 10 to the power 3 watt per square meter. It means 1000. Then answer should be 5. An elephant at rest is observed by a person 1 kilometer away from his location. The sound intensity of comfort of the elephant heard by the person is 10 to the power minus 10 watt per square meter. Assume that the sound comes from a point source. If the threshold of hearing of person is 10 to the power minus 12, what is the maximum distance from which he can hear this comfort? We know that sound intensity from a P point source, P means power, at R distance, sound intensity at this phase should be power divided by 4 pi R square. It means we can get intensity inversely proportional to square of distance. Then we can write for the first situation, sound intensity is 10 to the power minus 10, inversely proportional to distance 1 kilometer, 1 square. We can get it as the first equation. Then for the second situation, sound intensity should be 10 to the power minus 12. We have to find the corresponding distance. We can get it as x. Now there are two equations we can divide. 10 to the power minus 10 divided by 10 to the power minus 12. 10 to the power 2 equals to 1 divided by 1 over x means x squared. It should be 10 kilometers. Then fourth one is the correct answer. The threshold of hearing of normal human ear is 10 to the power minus 12 watt per square meter. The corresponding to the sound intensity level of, you have to find the sound intensity level corresponding to the 10 to the power minus 12. We know that threshold of hearing 10 to the power minus 12 watt per square meter. Threshold of pain 1 watt per square meter. Then sound intensity level corresponding to this value is 0. Sound intensity corresponding to this value is 120. Now we have to find the sound intensity level corresponding to this value. Then answer is 0 decibel. It is first answer. 10 identical musical instruments placed along a circumference of circle produces a sound intensity level of 50 decibels at the center of the circle. How many identical musical instruments placed along the circumference are needed to produce the sound intensity level 60 decibels at the center? I will write the equation V2 minus V1 equals 10 of I2 divided by I1. V2 value is 60, V1 50. 10 log 10 of, I will consider number of instruments we have to use to get 60 decibels as N. Then if the intensity of one instrument I, we can get IN is the total sound intensity produced by N number of instruments. And initially there are 10 instruments, then we can get I times 10 for the initial condition. Then we can cancel out I and I. 60 minus 50, 10 equals 10 log 10 of N divided by 10. We can cancel out 0. 1 means 10 to the power 1 equals N divided by 10. Now we can get value of N. 10 into 10, 100. We should use 100 instruments. Then answer should be 4.